for PSBA now.
And I hope and pray na ito ang simula.
First of all, there has to be trust. And it starts with trusting the White Knight. So, palakpakan natin ang ating White Knight.
At nakakatuwa naman no, at may magandang vision for the school si Chairman Yos Tangco.
The name PSBA is still a revered, respected name. And so we move forward. The reaction was very positive, which meant that PSBA continues to have a good name.
So this is current. It's no longer a perspective. This is how it looks like right now. So we applied for 7 new programs. We have bought enough computers for computer labs. We bought TVs for all of the classrooms. We've done a lot of revamp also. We revamped the website. We've revamped the Facebook page. We're also very happy to share that we've partnered with different institutions for scholarship programs. These are the comments that we got. People are so happy. They said, buti na lang andyan si SCI, mabibigyan na ng bagong pag-asa ang aming alma mater. It's a different PSBA if you go there to visit right now.
So go Jaguars. Thank you.